Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now coming on to practice now 4 of section 1.1 of chapter 1. Now it has 2 questions and one question has 3 parts. So now moving on to 1a. It is x square plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. And it's saying you have to solve the question, giving our answers correct to 2 decimal places. Which means that at the end part, in order to give 2 decimal places, either you have to solve it manually, but better to solve it by calculator at the end. So you can write it as, and you need to actually extract or figure out the value of x. This is the requirement. So what we do, we'll do the question in similar pattern that we have done in practice 3 and investigation. At first we will make a square and then we will solve the question, because it will make the question very easy. See, in a part, if I write x square plus 6x minus 4, I can also write it as x square plus 6x is equal to 4, right? And then using the same method of dividing coefficient of x by 2 and then taking square and subtracting square to make a plus b whole square formula. So what it becomes x square plus 6x, 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus 3 square minus 3 square is equal to 4. So it becomes x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square is equal to 4, which becomes x plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 is a 9, and then negative 9 when will be shifted to the other side, it will become positive. So 9 plus 4 is 13, right? So further, x plus 3 whole square, if we take under root, we can eliminate the square. So it becomes x plus 3 is equal to under root 13. It becomes x is equal to under root 13 minus 3. Now solving it will give x is equal to is equal to 2 plus minus 3.62 minus 3. So x is equal to 0.62 or x is equal to negative 6.62. So these will be the two answers. Now moving on to part B. It says x square plus 7x as we can see that 7 cannot be divided by 2 to give a whole number or integer. So we have to make it in the form of a ratio. So it becomes x square plus 7x plus 7 divided by 2 whole square minus 7 divided by 2 whole square plus 5 is equal to 0, right? So it becomes x plus 7 by 2 whole square is equal to 2 whole square minus 5. So further solving it, so x plus 7 by 2 under root is equal to 7 to the 49 divided by 2 to the 4. So 49 divided by 4 minus 5 whole under root, right? So it becomes x plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to, now solving this question, 20 49 minus 20 is 29 by 4, but here under root remains. It will become x is equal to 29 divided by 4 under root minus 7 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to plus minus 0.69 minus 7 by 2 is 3.5. For x is equal to minus 0.91, right? And the other one will be minus 6.19. These are the two answers for the question. Okay, there's some typo error. Sorry, it's uh, actually it was 0.81, not 91. And here the question was it's equal to 0. Okay, now solving part C. It's x square minus x is equal to 0. So how we'll solve this question? We'll do that x square minus x and 1 divided by 2, right? Plus minus 1 is equal to 0, which will become x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. 1 by 4, and when it will go there, and it will become x minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 4. So it will become x minus 1 by 2. If I take under root on both sides, will become x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 divided by 4 under root. Therefore, x is equal to plus 1 by 2, which will become x is equal to 5 by 4 is the root of 1.25 plus 0.5. Therefore, x can be either 1.62 or 0.62. So these are the two possible positions. One is 1.62 and the other one is minus 0.62. Okay, now moving on to question number 2, which is Question number 2 is solve the question. Question is x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 15. So how we will solve the question? Now it means here what we'll do that first of all we'll open them. Otherwise we will not be able to solve the question because here there is a coefficient and here it's not in precisely the form of a plus b whole square. So first we have to make it in the form a plus b whole square minus b is equal to 0. Then we will be able to solve the question. See, bring in x into x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 15, right? Therefore it is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 15, which means if we take the coefficient constant here, what it becomes x square minus 3x 3x plus 4x means 1x, right? So it becomes 3x plus x is equal to 15 plus 12, right? So what becomes? It becomes square plus x is equal to 27. Now again converting it into a plus b whole square means x square plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square. As the quotient of x is 1, we have to divide by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 27, which means it is x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 27 plus 1 by 2 whole square, which means if we take square root on both sides, so it becomes plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the 4, and it will become the 4 not 2 1 to 5. 27 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5 whole square. So 27 plus 0.5 whole square under root. So if I also take 1 by 2 on that side, what it becomes? It becomes x is equal to 27 plus 0.5 whole square minus 1.2 is 0.5. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus, now what it becomes 27 plus 0.5 square into the whole under root. It is 5.22 minus 0.5, right? Therefore, x is equal to, if we add this, I mean 5.22 minus 0.5, it will be 4.72, and the other answer will be minus 5.72. So these are the two answers for this question. Hope you all understand. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like and share and forward it to your friends, family and any students. I'll be grateful. Thank you.